The Mercedes-Benz 190 SL is a relic of a roadster riddled with history and elegance. But one example from 1960 went through the test of time and is now looking for a new, passionate owner to take the challenge of bringing it back to its former glory. Currently listed on Bonhams, the grandfather of the modern-day AMG SL 43 was once the pride of an engineer and avid automotive enthusiast, identified only as Bob. He was supposed to restore the roadster but, for various reasons, couldn't, and when he passed away a few years ago, the car sat even longer, until its current seller, a friend of a friend, came along. The car now seeks a new custodian who would accomplish what Bob couldn't. Born as the little brother to the venerable 300 SL Gullwing, this rare gem is one of only 562 right-hand drive examples. It was originally moss green and was painted over with an orange hue over time with visible brush marks. The chassis number suggests a 1960 model, yet it was registered on July 18, 1962. The buff logbook narrates its journey through 5 owners before finding solace in Bob's care. Substantial repairs are required for the exterior of the 190 SL convertible, while the middle section seems sturdy, likely preserved by leaked engine oil. Magnetic tests confirm all 4 wings are made of metal, albeit with some expected filler. The hood, trunk, and doors are made of period-correct aluminum, and an additional white boot lid with paint effect is provided. Only one hubcap, which is hand-painted orange, is available, although all 4 chrome ring embellishers are included. The classic car has double wishbones in the front, a swing axle suspension at the rear, and a tubular space frame. Underneath its hood resides a slightly over-square 104 horsepower 1.9-liter SOHC engine, complete with its original Solex carburetors. Its 4-cylinder configuration gives us food for thought on whether we're wrong to hate 4-cylinder sports cars in the modern era. Attempts to access the engine hint at a potential seized heart, with the engine number stamp differing from the original logbook record. The car's interior shows authentic elements, such as the original seats and dash, yet there are extra dials that are not original Mercedes-Benz parts provided by Smith and Lucas. Notable features include a vintage radio and an endearing keychain mouse dangling from the passenger sun visor. The hood mechanism functions despite the interior's sorry state, hinting at positive things under all the filth. The vintage Merc Roadster is offered on the Bonhams auction block, with an estimated value ranging from £25,000 to £45,000, $31,000 to $56,000. With no reserve, the current bid is at £12,500, $15,500, at the time of this writing. Fully restored, this 190 SL could be valued up to over $300,000, depending on the quality of the restoration. The auction ends on November 23, 2023.